Hello guys, good evening. Actually, it's already good morning. It's past midnight of Saturday, November 25, and this is our weekend edition of weather analysis. And for today's Saturday until Monday, November 25th to 27, 2023. This is our English version brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Legacion and our Honorable Congressman Gabi Bordado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur. And also, we'd like to promote the Comunidad Climate Action Center, LGUs or companies interested to see the product, or if you have questions, just visit our website typhoon2000.ph, click on the banner of Comunidad, and you will be forwarded to a Google form for you to answer some questions asked by Comunidad, and then upon submitting, they will return back and contact you. Once again, Mr. Aaron Cabasal will be the one who will contact you regarding any questions you want to ask about the Comunidad Climate Action Center. So that's the product that is very useful in some LGUs around the Philippine Islands. So don't forget that Climate Action Center. Now let's begin with our update. It looks like, here we go again, diffused shear line. When we say diffused, it's separated already from the frontal system. It remained over the Philippine Sea, but because of the new surge of the northeast monsoon, the convergence of the cold air from the monsoon and the warm easterlies has again regenerated a new shear line. Okay, yesterday it's over the Pacific, and right now it's affecting since yesterday, Friday, central and eastern Visayas and southern Bicol Region. But through the evening, actually it started early this yesterday afternoon, Friday, and until now, it's already past midnight of Saturday, November 25. We are still experiencing on and off, light to moderate to at times heavy downpour, because of multiple thunderstorms embedded within this shear line. We call this as mesoscale convective systems. Okay, so it is comprised of multiple thunderstorms, okay, that are bringing heavy downpour across Bicol Region, particularly here in Naga City and Camarines Sur and Camarines Norte, and those living in low-lying areas and particularly over the mountain slope areas, prepare for possible flooding and landslides because of these multiple thunderstorms brought about by the new shear line that will last only for about 24 hours. So by Sunday, we could see some improvement of the weather. The northeast monsoon will start to weaken once again. So this is a new blast of the monsoon from a developing or strengthening high pressure area over Shanghai, or north of Shanghai. And the easterlies has begun to return, although it's quite weak. It will bring some cloudy conditions across the eastern areas of Mindanao, eastern sections, from northern Caraga down to Davao region, and also across the coastal areas of eastern Samar and eastern Leyte, and moving into the inland areas of eastern Visayas until central Visayas is the shear line already. And as I said, right now it's already affecting the whole of Bicol Region, particularly Camarines provinces. We have here a low pressure system that formed west of Borneo and it's moving west-southwest towards the Gulf of Thailand, but this system is not expected to develop into a tropical cyclone, and it looks like it will dissipate in the next couple of days because of unfavorable upper level winds. And the northeast monsoon is also pushing the system more to the southwest, and it's also bringing some heavy rainfall across the coastal waters of southern Vietnam, including Ho Chi Minh City. So expect the effects of the northeast monsoon to prevail here, and some troughing from LPA 99W. Okay, again, those affected by the diffused shear line will have high risk of flooding and landslide. That's why we post it here, being medium to high. Okay, while the monsoon is only low, and the easterlies likewise is low risk of flooding or landslides. Okay, now let's take a look at the fast animation. So there we go. This is the new shear line. So it's quite rapid in development. Although yesterday it was placed here, then it moved towards this direction, and it's now affecting the Bicol region. Okay, so pardon my line. Let me put now. This is the shear line. Yesterday it's here, and it moved towards the west. That's why we are now experiencing some on and off rainfall, which is not good in areas affected by low-lying flooding and landslides. So please take all necessary precautions. Good enough. Today is Saturday to Sunday, so there's no classes in the secondary or the basic education of the Philippine Islands. Okay. Now let's take a look at the zoom-in satellite animation. So there you go. This is the blue image since it's nighttime. This is the visible image. You can see some lightning strikes occurring within the clouds, to also cloud-to-ground lightnings. So this is currently occurring over the Bicol region, particularly Camarines provinces. Albay is not much, but there will be also some showers and thunderstorms throughout the day of Saturday. So please take all necessary precautions. So it's quite long. Here's now the development of a new shear line. There you go. Okay. And then if you take a look at the wind forecast for the next 3 days until Monday. So this afternoon, Saturday, the northeast monsoon will remain across northern and central Luzon, including the coastal waters of Camarines provinces. Sunday afternoon, the monsoon will retreat more towards the extreme northern parts of Luzon, weakening winds here over eastern Luzon. And on Monday, northeast monsoon weakened into a northeasterly surface wind flow. And the return of the easterlies will again affect eastern Luzon, Bicol region, and eastern Visayas. It will start to move to the north from the eastern sections of Mindanao based on the graph set that we created. And on Tuesday, there's another strengthening high pressure over eastern China that will again bring some monsoonal flow over Batanes and Babuing Group Islands and the coastal areas of northern Ilocos Norte. So that's the scenario until Tuesday. There's no tropical cyclone formation over the Western Pacific and the Philippine Sea for the next 5 to 10 days based on the reliable computer models. Okay, and what else? Let's move now towards our wind and now let's take a look now on the latest rain forecast from the windy.com ECMWF model run. So today, midnight of Saturday, here's now the wind shear. Here's now the shear line affecting Bicol. And this afternoon, that shear line will still affect Bicol region and the eastern sections of central and northern Luzon from Cagayan Valley down to northern Quezon. And Sunday morning, The shear line will just affect the eastern sections of Cagayan Valley, particularly in the afternoon, while improving weather conditions will be expected across the Bicol region. So the effects of the shear line will be just for today, Saturday. Actually, it started yesterday afternoon, Friday, until maybe late this Saturday. And on Sunday, good weather will again persist. Now let's take a look at the forecast for Monday. It looks like the Philippine Islands is now back to normal, except for some isolated thunderstorms across Zamboanga Peninsula and the northern portion of western Samar or Samar, and also northern Samar area. There will be some 50% chances of localized rain showers or thunderstorms. Okay, so that's the forecast for the next 3 days through the weekend. It looks like it will be okay, but again, here's the 3-day rainfall accumulation forecast until Monday. So as you can see, the effects of the shear line will remain over the northern and eastern sections of Camarines provinces, Partido District, and Cam Norte, but some can penetrate across the inland areas of Camarines Sur, including Naga City. Catanduan is also affected, and the coastal areas of Albay and Sorsogon. And also the eastern sections of Cagayan Valley and the eastern sections of northern Quezon will also be affected by this shear line for the next 3 days. Okay, while here of the Calayan Island group, it's more likely of the convergence, wind convergence brought about by the northeast monsoon and a troughing from the LPA 99W west of Borneo. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest. So don't be surprised if we have some rainfall right now. We started yesterday afternoon, Friday afternoon, and it's still extending until today, early morning of Saturday, but it will continue to bring on and off rainfall. Sometimes light, moderate, sometimes it's heavy, extreme. So please take all necessary precautions. Again, this is Mike Padua. We'll see you again on Monday to give you more updates on the weather for next week from Typhoon 2000. This is Mike Padua, and thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.